All right, another opportunity or another possibility to get unstuck is, of course, if there's a second vehicle available and if you have a tow rope. So the cars are equipped with tow ropes. Just different cars have sometimes different strength of tow ropes, so you must also always see that your rope is strong enough before you start pulling. If the rope is quite short or quite weak, it will normally just tear off. But this tow rope is quite strong, so this we can use. The important thing to remember is if the sand or the mud is very, very soft, then of course the possibility that the second car that wants to save you can also get stuck. So this is maybe a measure you shouldn't use right at the beginning. Try the other methods first, and if that doesn't work, then you can try to get assistance with another vehicle. All right, so you've got a tow rope, you've got shackles, and they need to be connected correctly on both cars on suitable spots, otherwise you can cause damage to the cars. With these cars there's anchoring points which you can use, or you could also use the leash to put it around here. But as you see, it's quite loose, so it can come off. So the better option would be definitely here. Sometimes if you don't have the strong bumpers like the Land Cruiser or the Safari has it, there's also mounting points underneath the vehicles that you could use. Securely tighten the shackle. See that the rope is straight. And then connect it to a suitable anchoring point on the vehicle to be towed. Normally you get two different types of ropes, towing ropes. This is a static one, meaning it cannot expand. No? So very important if you use this one, and this is the ones that we provide, is that the vehicle that tows your vehicle very, very slowly goes to the front, and you first build up tension. You don't go with high speed while this is slacking, and then suddenly you get this big knock on the car, because something is going to break. Either the tow rope is going to break, or a bumper can break, or anything on the car can break. On the second you get kinetic ropes, towing ropes. This is a rope made for pulling very hard, very quick. It is like a bungee cord, and it is the same function as a bungee cord. It pulls apart, and then the kinetic energy pulls the cars together again. So this you can use while driving quick, but the static ropes you really have to use with caution. Very important with this is also that the first car, or the car that does the towing, is also engaged in the low 4 driving mode. The diff locks are engaged, and of course tire pressure is also reduced to a minimum, just to help the first car not to get stuck in the first place. Godfrey, then you can slowly start driving to the front, and we're going to get some tension onto the tow rope. All right, stop. All right, put the car into low 4 gear. Also engage the diff lock. And then the best is if there's somebody who can direct both cars, that they do the same, or via hand signals can show to the first car that he can start moving. Very important is that there's always tension on the rope. It shouldn't start slacking, because this rope can go into your tire and cause a lot of damage on your axle. Okay, stop.